In this video, we're talking CRO Coin. Now we're just 4 days away from what could be a huge price catalyst for the coin, so I'll talk about that in this video, along with other CRO Coin related news, and if I think CRO Coin is still a good investment in 2021 going into 2022. So before we do get into specific CRO Coin news, I do want to have a look at the markets for the week. After a really bad December, honestly, it's been one of the worst months in crypto since May because of the Omicron variant and other bad news. We've started to see now the market level out a little bit, and a lot of projects are now in the green for the week, which is really good news heading into 2022. So the current date of recording this video is the 21st of December. We're just 4 days away from the big news and what could be the big price catalyst, which I'll get into in a second. Currently the price is 52 cents of CRO Coin, with Bitcoin down 10%, 0.10%, and Ethereum up 0.09%. The market cap's up by 6%, and the volume is also up by 3%. And there are 488,000 people watching CRO Coin. So now let's go ahead and go into the chart. So if we scroll down here, you can see we are now on the last month chart. Now if we scroll out to a year here, you can see the CRO Coin trajectory for the year. But we're going to go to the last month and take a look here. Now the highest point for the coin was on the 24th of November, and that was 96 cents. We then seen the price drop, and it's kind of consolidated here. Now we're at some good resistance points for the coin, and it's not going below 50 cents, which is good. Now we did have a little bit of a time period where it did go under 48 cents, but now it's regained and gone back up again to 51 cents. And we are expecting it to go a little bit higher on Christmas once this new news circulates. So the news being, and it's not new news, but on the 25th of December, the Crypto.com arena is official. It's no longer called the LA Staples Center anymore, and it will now be called, from the 25th of December, the Crypto.com arena. You can see they have their Twitter profile all set up with the Crypto.com arena branding, and there's actually quite a few basketball games and events going on in the next coming weeks, so it'll be good to see these in action and see the Crypto.com arena in real life with the branding and it just being used properly, because right now I think the branding is complete, but it's just not an official takeover just as of yet. You can see here Crypto.com coin holds one last major catalyst in its hand for 2021. News broke in mid-November that Crypto.com will become the face of a hallowed ground for basketball. The legendary Staples Center, home of the Lakers and Clippers, will become the Crypto.com arena. Now this arena will be rebranded to Crypto.com for the next 20 years, so that's going to be huge for the price and just huge for the Crypto.com brand in general. Let's just remind ourselves here that we are in it for the long run, and they do sponsor NFL. You've got here, if you keep scrolling down, some esports organizations. Again, you've got Aston Martin, the UFC. So they've got a lot of money behind their name and behind the Crypto.com brand. And in my opinion, Crypto.com is still a long-term hold. Even if we don't see the price jump like we wanted to on Christmas Day, when the branding is in full effect, I do believe it will trickle and slowly start to go up over the new year. And I am still optimistic for a $3 price at the end of 2022. I'm holding CRO for the long run, and I do think you should be too if you've got it in your portfolio. Please do leave a like if this video was valuable. This is not financial advice, and please do subscribe to the channel for more crypto videos.